to our channel. So yeah, finally we are back after 2 weeks, right mama?
Yeah.
So yeah, I was a bit busy with my work, so I couldn't shoot and edit the video, and finally I made some time for mama to shoot a video. Yes, so here we are, and finally we have crossed how many subscribers? 7,000 subscribers. Yes, we are growing day by day. And yeah folks, thank you so much for the love and support shown towards us. And yeah, so right now our family is about 7,000 members. We are growing folks. So if you are new around over here, go right now, check out our videos. If you don't like it, then it's fine. If you like the videos, go ahead and hit the like button, and also do subscribe to our channel. So if you have any suggestions about any recipes, do let us know in the comment section below. And also I'm going to leave the personal social media handles for my mama's Instagram as well as my Instagram and my official Facebook page. So today here we are with a new recipe, and that recipe is
Chicken Jeerem Meerem.
yes, so chicken Jeerem Meerem. So chicken Jeerem Meerem is a chicken curry recipe. It's a bit of spicy, right mama?
Not so spicy.
Not so spicy, bit of spicy. And yeah, so chicken Jeerem Meerem is a Konkani word. Jeere means Jeera, and Meerem means it's not Meera, it's pepper. So yeah, I can say it as a chicken Jeera pepper curry. So trust me folks, if you prepare this recipe, you won't regret it, because it's so yummy and delicious, right mama? So the Jeera, the pepper what we add, and also the onions, oh gosh, it gives so much taste to this curry. And yeah, I don't know what to say to this. I can just say it's right mama? So yeah, so without further ado, let's see how to prepare this very traditional, and this is my grandma's recipe. So yeah, I can say it as grandma's chicken Jeera pepper. So without further ado, let's begin this recipe. And yeah, don't skip the video, be with us throughout the video, and do let us know. Just enjoy folks. If you don't want to prepare this recipe, that's fine, just stay with us, just enjoy the video. So yeah, let's continue. To prepare chicken Jeera pepper, here we have taken 1 kg of washed and clean chicken. Here we have 2 potatoes which are finely diced, and we are soaking it in water just to make sure it doesn't decolorize. So yeah mama, the chicken is done, the potatoes are done. So what's next?
To grind masala.
Oh, so the next process is to prepare the masala.
No need to dry roast.
So okay, so this time we are not dry roasting the ingredients. All the ingredients what we sorted out for the masala goes directly into the grinder, right? So and this is the main process to prepare the masala. So can you show us mama what are the ingredients?
Yeah, sure, I'll show.
Yeah mama. So here we have 1 pot of garlic, 2 teaspoon of jeera, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoon of poppy seeds, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, half inch of ginger finely chopped, 12 Kashmiri red chilies, and 4 short red chilies. So you will be the judge to your spiciness level, because our tendency to spiciness is bit more. So if you are not okay with the spiciness of the curry, then I recommend you to add less chilies. And yeah, that's completely left up to you. 1 pinch of tamarind, or what we call imli, half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 onions which are finely sliced, and yeah, last but not least, we have 4 cloves. So yeah folks, and now we need to make a fine paste of all the ingredients. And yeah folks, just note it down, the ingredients. So yeah folks, this is the traditional grinder in which we are going to grind the masala. And now first let's wash the grinder. Check out folks, it's completely made of stone, and this is the new one which we got recently, I mean a year ago. And we have one more, and that is 70 years old. That's too heavy, so we thought of switching to this tiny one. And now let's transfer all the ingredients into the blender. As you can see here folks, it has been several minutes and the masala has been finely blended. And if you check out over here, so meanwhile when she was grinding the masala, it was a bit thick, so she thought to add some water. And this is the final outcome of the masala. And wow, check it out, it has come out so fiery red.
गंध वाटलं.
बरायला नाही मसाला. And now let's switch on the gas stove and let's place the cooking pot on the stove. And if you are a bit skeptical, what is this? This is the leftover masala water. And now we are going to add a chicken to this. Look how pinkish the chicken looks. And now to this goes the potatoes. So we have diced 2 potatoes and this goes into the cooking pot. And now here goes the rock salt as per the requirement. And now let's give a quick stir. And now on medium flame, let's bring the chicken to boil. So let's put on the lid and let's wait till the chicken comes to boil. And now let's place the saucepan for the tempering. And now to this goes oil as per the requirement. And now here goes 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here goes 1 finely sliced onion. And now let's saute till the onions turn slight brown. As you can see here folks, the onions have turned slight brown and crispier. And now it's time to add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Yeah, so let's break the curry leaves and let's add into the onions. Wow, check this out folks. And now let's add masala, what we have prepared. Wow. And now once you are done adding the masala, you need to keep on frying till we get rid of the raw flavor and the oil starts oozing out from the masala. And that is how you come to know the masala has fried nice and properly. Once you add the masala into the saucepan, just don't leave it right away, it might get stick. Even though this is non-stick pan, the masala might get burnt, so you need to keep on sorting it. So the better you keep on frying it, the more greasy and more tasty the masala will turn out. And yeah, as you can see over here, the oil has just started oozing out from the masala. So there is a long way to go, it has just started. And over here the chicken is getting cooked with all the ingredients what we have added. And yeah, I think partially cooked zalane. So yeah, the chicken has been partially cooked up to 80%, right mama?
Yeah.
And meantime, when the masala gets fried nice and properly, the chicken will cook 80%. That is how you manage and save the time, right mama?
Yeah.
Yes. And now folks, the chicken is cooked, and now let's transfer the masala. Now let's add some water to the saucepan and let's transfer that water to the chicken. So this is mama's policy, not to waste anything. And now folks, let's close the lid and let's bring the curry to the boil. Almost all the process is done, and now let's wait till the curry comes to a boil, and then the yummy and delicious chicken Jeere Meerem is ready to serve hot. And check this out folks, the yummy and delicious chicken Jeere Meerem is ready to serve hot. And trust me folks, this has turned out absolutely delicious. So yeah folks, finally the chicken Jeere pepper is ready and it has turned out absolutely delicious, right mama?
Yeah.
Kitla time khani la mi?
20 minutes.
20-25 minutes hardly. Yes. So we took around just 20 to 25 minutes from scratch to get the chicken Jeerem Meerem done, and it has turned out absolutely stunning. I love it. It's yeah. So if you are new to our channel, do hit the like button, do subscribe to our channel, and yeah, if you don't know where the subscribe button is, the small red button down there, go and hit the subscribe button. And also, if you haven't checked out our other videos, go and check right now. And if you have any suggestions, please let us know. And also, we have changed our channel name. Yes, we have renamed it to Mom's Recipes, because I thought mom is putting so much of effort, why not let's contribute this channel to my mama. So yeah, henceforth the channel will be called as Mom's Recipes. So yeah folks, thank you so much for staying tuned throughout the video. I hope you guys loved it, and if you have any suggestions, please let us know in the comment section below. It will help us a lot. So as of now, it's Brinster and this is Mama signing off from today's video. Until next time, bye bye, see you, love you guys, take care.